welcome back to the channel. Today we read Pete the Cat, Big Easter Adventure by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the Cat, Big Easter Adventure. Pete was excited. Easter was here. He couldn't wait for his basket of goodies. Jelly beans were his favorite. Uh-oh, his basket was empty, except for a note. Pete, please help. Find the eggs. Paint the eggs. Hide the eggs. Thanks. The Easter Bunny. P.S. Wear these. Look it, he's gonna wear these.
That's funny.
Can I come over here, you guys?
Yes.
All right. Say, Pete put on the bunny ears and thought, a cat with ears like a bunny? Now that's funny. Look at him. He's got ears because he's a bunny. Happy Easter, chickens. Do you have any eggs today? Pete asked. I am helping the Easter Bunny. Sure, Pete. We have lots of eggs, the chicken said. We are happy to help. But don't you need a bunny nose and fluffy bunny tail? The chickens were right. A bunny nose and tail would be neat. Then Pete's costume would be complete. Pete put on the nose and tail like a bunny. A cat dressed up like a bunny. Now that's funny. Now Pete was ready. It was getting late and he still had a lot of eggs to decorate. What colors would Pete use?
A rainbow.
A rainbow? Hop, hop, hop. Off to the tool shed for paint and brushes.
Red.
Pete couldn't wait to paint the eggs. He's got red, green, yellow, blue. Got all the colors.
And even more red.
Yeah, you got more red.
And
Some
more green.
eggs had one color.
And more green.
Some
And
eggs
more
had two.
blue.
Some eggs were red. Some eggs were blue. When the egg paintings was done, Pete had a basket full of bright, colorful, amazing eggs. Now hiding them would be lots of fun.
Yep.
Look at all the colors. Got stripes and polka dots. All types of colors, huh? Yeah. But where, oh where, would Pete hide the eggs? Around the neighborhood? For all his friends to find? Pete hid eggs in flower pots. He hid them in water spouts. And when he was done hiding the eggs, Pete the cat was all worn out. Helping others out is what Easter is all about, Pete said. Pete's job was done. He was hiding the last one when the Easter Bunny arrived. Look at the Easter Bunny. And look, he's even got a little pin for him. It says, #1 helper. Great job, Pete. You were a big help, said the Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny gave Pete an award for a job well done. See, he's got the #1 helper.
Yep.
Because he helped the Easter Bunny.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Helping others can be lots of fun. Happy Easter, everybody.
Happy Easter.
Look, it's even got a big poster in the book. And look, Happy Easter, perfect. Say meow, meow.
Meow, meow,
Pete,
meow,
it's got these stickers that can go on there. That's cool, huh? And look, it's got even little Easter cards in it. So you could put on there, it says to. You could put to Tadashi, or to little Tracy, or to Yuki. And then it says from, and you could be, it's from you, and you give it to somebody. So you have Easter cards in here too. And there's 6 on this page, and 6 on that page. How many is that? 6 plus 6, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have 12 Easter cards.
You can give it to your friends.
Yeah.
And you could give it to us.
And that's the end of
Bye.
Pete the Cat Big Easter Adventure. Did you guys have fun reading it?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. So we'll tell everybody, see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Tell everybody, say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
All right, we'll see you guys later.